Hello everyone. So this is very first lecture of coordinate geometry, and yeah, coordinate geometry is most easiest part if we compare it with algebra and calculus of JE or of class 11th and 12th. So we will start firstly by looking straight line, then we will jump to circle, parabola, ellipse, hyperbola one by one. So if you are very beginner and you don't know about any of these or any particular, like you don't know about circle, so you can jump directly. And I have designed everything in two parts. So for example, for a straight line there will be two levels. First is introductory level and the other one is advanced level. So in introductory level we will be covering up to class 11th, and then we will be moving to JE in next thing. So I can say that this course will be for everyone who want to learn the coordinate geometry, and my book is also coming on coordinate geometry, so you can go and practice more after learning these sessions. So I can say the coordinate geometry for JE. So first of all we will start with the straight line, and in the straight line we will begin with our part 1, the introductory part of a straight line. And yeah, in this introductory part we will cover each and everything that you will be needing for your class 11th. Okay, so in this part, firstly we will start with some basics, then we will be moving to the slope of line, and I'm not like reading all of this, so you can note it down, and we will begin with some basics. So in some basics we'll be discussing first distance formula, section formula, and area of triangle. Yeah, you have already learned all of these in class 10th. So good luck, see you in first lecture. Thank you.